guys, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Shea channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber already, thanks very much. You guys are amazing. In today's video, I will be making a treatment soap. This treatment soap is super effective. It repairs the skin, every skin damage from chemical bleaching. This soap is going to do the work. Any rough skin, this soap is going to treat the skin. Any skin that is not normal, this soap is going to do the work. So this soap is super effective. This soap is extraordinary soap. So we are about to start. This is my black soap. I use 2 wraps of black soap. I soak it overnight. I soak it with carrot juice and lime juice. I soak it overnight. So this is how the soap is looking. So I'm going to go ahead now and start adding my ingredients. The next ingredient I'll be adding to this soap, I'll be adding tumeric. I'll be using 40 grams. I'll be using 240 grams. That is 80 grams. I'll be using 2 of it. I'll be adding to it. This is 40 grams. I'll be adding 2 because the soap is 2 wraps. I use 2 wraps on it. Because it's a treatment soap, turmeric would heal the wound. The next ingredient that I'll be adding is lemon powder. I'll be adding 40 grams. 240 grams. That is 80 grams because the soap is a quantity soap. The next ingredient that I will be adding is my shea butter. I will be adding 40 grams too because I'm using 2 wraps of black soap. If it is 1 black wrap of black soap, you use only 40 grams. But since I'm using 2, I'm going to add 2 of it. The next ingredient that I will be adding is licorice. I'll be adding 40 grams. I'll be adding 40 grams of licorice. The next ingredient that I will be adding is honey. Honey, I'll be adding 60 ml. This is 62 butter. 60. And I will be adding 2 of 60 ml. 2 of 60 ml. Because I'm using 2 wraps of black soap. If it is 1 wrap of black soap, I will be using 1. I'll be using only 60 ml. Because of stew, I'm adding 2. The next ingredient that I will be adding almond oil. I'll be adding 30 ml. So 30 ml I'll be adding 2 of it because I'm using two wrap of glass soap. The next ingredient that I'll be adding is sesame oil. I'll be adding 60 ml. The next ingredient that I will be adding is vitamin E oil. I'll be adding 50 ml. 2 of it. The next ingredient I will be adding is glycerin. I'll be adding 50 ml. The next ingredient that I'll be adding is my preservative. I'll be adding 2 spoons of my preservative. So the next thing is to go ahead and stir it. So I'm going to, next thing is to stir everything. As you can see, I'm using my hand mixer to mix it together. I'm almost through. This is how the soap look like. This for skin damage, for bleaching, for repairing of bleaching damage, treatment soap, for every kind of skin infection. This soap can do the work. It's super effective. Very nice soap. If you need the soap, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. This soap works wonders. If your skin is not in order, you can use this soap to treat your skin. It's a treatment soap and it's super effective, super amazing. Very nice soap. So you can contact me if you need it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in my container. After coupling it in my container, I will show you guys how it looks like. I'm back. I've finished coupling it. This is how the soap looks like. Very nice soap and super effective. It repairs fast. So if you are interested in the soap, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share my video, please like my video. See you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.